I just wanted to make sure to note, right, that when I was talking about the tow truck that was parked there last night versus right here, they had a mowing, right? I just want to say when they moved the mowing truck on down the street down there, right, that is at Beatty and Thompson. Beatty and Thompson, where that mowing truck is. So when they're down there on the other end, past that, you knew I didn't live over there in none of those houses that had a porch like this. Because I never lived on Beatty. So that's Jeep joke. From down the, from that, cause see, this ain't a corner. This ain't a corner. Only when you get down to where that vehicle is, just to make sure you see. Right, cut grass, you see that? See how they moved it down and thought it was going to mean something different? It didn't. That's why I made sure I went ahead and recorded this too. So that way you would know if somebody down farther was trying to record what I did down here, they were just crazy because this is what facts are. Only this is me.